The most recent Samsung Galaxy S23 models are generally available during the first 3 months of the new year. As Samsung releases its new flagship, it gains an advantage over the competition. That seems to be the Samsung Galaxy S23 lineup for 2023, and the Samsung Galaxy S23 series may be introduced on February 17, 2023. According to the most recent rumors, their announcement is scheduled for the first week of February. Because February 1st falls on Samsung's typical Wednesday unpacking schedule, the real release date would be February 17, 2 Fridays later. Samsung, on the other hand, accelerated the release dates for the S21 and S22. As a result, they debuted just before the Mobile World Congress, which begins on a Monday in late February. The MWC exhibition is set to take place on Monday, February 27, 2023, and Thursday, March 2, 2023. As a result, the Samsung Galaxy S23 series might debut the Friday before, on February 24, 2023. The design of the Galaxy S23 Ultra will not alter much, but there will be big advancements behind the hood. One of these areas is the camera, and Ice Universe states that with the recent firmware upgrade, the S23 Ultra's night photography has improved. Video recording is another area where the S23 Ultra will significantly enhance. Not only will the phone's standard 1080p and 4K video recording increase, but its 8K video recording will enhance by 25%. Current Samsung flagships can capture 8K movies at 24 frames per second, but all S23 models can now record at 30 frames per second. And, happily, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 can capture 4K video at 120 frames per second. For the first time, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra seems to live the top flagship postures in real life, and indicates that the new design is not much more premium. Live photos of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra indicate a slim metal frame with a fresh design. The Galaxy S23 Ultra port has a curved display with a thicker frame. The most recent live photographs from anonymous source reveal a flawlessly flat front screen, similar to last year's Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus handsets. The period emphasized in these photographs looks to be very significant. However, the Galaxy S22 series has grown thicker and sports a matte finish rather than a polished chrome finish. The left side of the frame looks to be empty, whereas the right side of the frame contains the volume rocker followed by the power button. Also included is a bigger cutout for the M-Wave 5G antenna. So, without further ado, please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and if you're new here, please subscribe.